for Santa Claus last night. I heard some noise last night.
Ia să vedem, ăsta ce mai este? Ce mai a adus Santa Claus ăsta aici?
Angry Birds.
Wow!
Wow,
What
what's
is
in there?
that? Let me see.
Arată-l Wendy.
Can I see, please?
Nicolas. Arată-i lui Wendy.
Ia în brațe și arată el. Te rog. Ca să vadă și ea. Că ea nu știe pe asta.
Who's that guy? This is Mr. Potato Head?
Mr. Potato Head?
Yes.
That's awesome. Have you played with him before?
Lasă-l mai jos. Hold it down. Hold it down like this. Hold it like this. Hai să te filmezi. Hai. Oh, we're gonna make you a movie star. You're gonna play in next Toy Story? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
It's
we
in
did
Toy Story. That's a towel.
Yes.
It has pigs.
Yes, and the Angry Birds.
The birds.
You
Oh,
see
the
your
black
favorite.
bird.
Yes, all your favorite. All your favorite. Hai, pune-l acolo pe canapea. Hai, next.
Next.
Hi. Can I have this, Nicholas? Can I have this for me?
No.
Why?
Rolling boy.
Hai, ia altul, ia următorul pachet.
What is that towel?
That one? Those aren't for you. These are for you.
Nicholas, here.
These are for you. This one you gotta be careful with when you open it. Do you want some help? I'll help you open it. Here. Let's sit down.
What is Santa?
I don't know, but I think Santa brought it for you. Here, we can take it ourselves. And now just careful with it.
Să pricep. Careful, careful. Don't drop it.
Lots of things.
Wow.
What's in there? Is there a giraffe in there? He just lives in there. Oh, look, she lives in your cup. There's a small giraffe
The
lives
giraffe
in your
in the cup.
cup.
Oh, it's gonna stay there, the giraffe.
Oh, nice.
Look at that one.
This has an ornament for you.
It doesn't.
That's fine.
So să-ți dăm ceai în el. More angry birds. What's this, Nicholas? What's that, a puzzle?
This is Angry Bird.
Da, moment, ca uite cum te jucai la computer, asta este jocul de adevăratele. It's a slingshot. Yes, you see?
Can you open it?
Păi stai că mai avem box acolo, desfă
I leave
toate
that one.
boxele și după aia le jucăm, după aia le scoatem toate și le jucăm. Oh, it's big, right?
Wow!
You want to rip off that paper?
Yes. Can you put it down?
You do it. You can rip it. Yeah.
Rip it. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wow.
Ringo Starr.
What is this?
This is Ringo Starr.
Wow, this is
Yes, it's a big.
Now we have to take this back to the store. It's making too much noise.
Look. Oh my God.
We give this back to Santa.
What is that?
So you did it, huh?
I told you. That one's for your mommy and daddy, but you can open it. Maybe they need
You
help
open it.
opening it.
Yeah, we need help. That's it.
He's gonna be bored when he opens it, but you know, whatever. Maybe it's fun for him to rip the paper. Oh my God! I told you guys I would do it. Yes, I know. I'm surprised that you did.
Wow, those are nice coasters, right? Yeah, put them on the table acolo. Uite aici pe
Le
masă.
pun aici să le...
Thank you.
Why are these?
You don't have to thank me for everything, te rog.
Dar cui trebuie să mulțumim? Asta vine de la altcineva? La Santa Claus. Pupă pe Wendy, zi Wendy, thank you for the tobiță. Hai că ți-a dat-o. Ți-a dus de la Wendy, ți-a trimis asta. Lui Santa Claus. Hai zi lui Wendy, thank you. Hai, give her a
I
kiss.
love you. Merry Christmas.
Ok. E
You
cu
have
battery?
one here too. This one is from Travis Santa.
Travis. Oh, Travis Santa. Also Angry Birds? Oh my God, this year was Angry Birds year.
Apparently.
Nici n-auzisem de ele acum un an.
Da, acum n-au nevoie și eu cine să aibă așa.
Bless you.
Asta este care lux. Asta de asta.
What's inside? What's inside? Be careful, careful.
No, it's okay.
What's in there? Wow.
My shirt.
It's yours.
Open it.
Let's see it. I haven't even seen it.
You've seen it?
No, not
Big.
Wow, nice. You're gonna grow up. I could wear it until you get bigger. Turn it around. Să-ți facă poză așa cu ea. Uite așa, hold it like this, arată-i lui Wendy. See, look Wendy. I have a shirt, rock and roll, dude. Rock on. Rock on. Keep it down, keep it lower. Put it așa pe tine, like you try it on. Cheese, cheese,
Very
cheese,
nice.
cheese. What's in there?
It's heavy. He's not gonna be able to.
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's okay. Leave that one. Open the cover now. Let's see what's inside. Wow. What's in here? Careful. Oh, wow. It's a nice candle. What a candle. Cu sono al cuore.
Puteți să puneți și cu apă și dacă puneți small candles. I thought it'd be nice for the
Vrei the other way?
No, I guess it's fine where it is. No, it's good.
Păi poți să-l pui de other să fii mai aproape de el. Hai! Hai! Nicolás!
I'm so happy.
Și cu piciorul.
Ce faci, mă, acolo, mă? Ia să te văd. Ia arată, cum faci? Show me. Numai că asta va asculta mâinile.
Ai, deja profesionist când dă cu pești. Nu acolo.
Aici, 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 aici și aici. Haide.
That's for sound.
Piciorul, aia bați cu piciorul, aici bați cu piciorul și aici face la.
Hai, some Indian music. Dum, dum, dum. Nicolas, that's not... L-auzi? Cu piciorul. Dum, dum.
You're
Gata?
done. Asha, that was his